Comparison, Section 173 of C.P.C. 1973 versus Section 193 of BNSS, 2023. Sequential framework, Section 173 C.P.C. and Section 193 BNSS. Section 173 C.P.C. provides the foundational guidelines for submitting investigation reports to the magistrate, detailing offences, accused, and evidence. 1. Purpose and basic requirements, C.P.C. Section 173. This section mandates that after completing an investigation, the officer in charge must submit a report, charge sheet, to a magistrate. It includes details such as the names of the accused, evidence collected, arrest status, and whether the complainant was notified if the accused was released on bail. BNSS, Section 193. Under BNSS, this section similarly requires the investigation officer to complete and submit an investigation report to a magistrate, but it emphasizes additional elements, such as electronic communication options and more structured communication obligations to inform the informant/victim. 2. Temporal requirements, C.P.C. There is no strict timeline for completing investigations in the general provision, though undue delays are discouraged. BNSS Section 193 mandates that investigations for specific offences must conclude within 2 months from the date of information recording, providing stricter timelines for faster processing. 3. Reporting and documentation requirements. The report should specify whether an offence appears to have been committed, identify the accused, describe evidence, and include arrest or bail status. BNSS Section 193 expands on this, requiring additional elements, including names of parties, detailed custody information, and medical examination reports for certain offences. It also allows reports to be filed electronically and includes directives on the number of report copies for the accused. 4. Communication obligations, C.P.C. requires informing the complainant in cases where the accused is released on bail. BNSS expands communication obligations, requiring officers to update the informant/victim on investigation progress within 90 days by any means, including electronic communication. This reflects a more transparent process. 5. Further investigation, C.P.C. Section 173(8) allows for further investigation after the initial charge sheet but does not specify procedural timelines. BNSS permits further investigation with court permission, mandating completion within 90 days, extendable by the court. This addition formalizes timelines and court oversight for extended investigations. 6. Procedural safeguards and supervisory provisions, C.P.C. The magistrate has the authority to make orders related to investigation but lacks detailed supervisory provisions. BNSS includes specific provisions for supervisory officers who may direct further investigation and ensure procedural compliance. Reports may require approval from higher authorities based on state government regulations, ensuring multi-level oversight.